Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Paltalk. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Paltalk and you will click. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and